Hi, I'm David Shukoff. I'm the Director of Education at Manhattan Theater Club, and I'm delighted to welcome you to this first installment of MTC Education's online family drama playwriting workshop series. This sequence of activities will enable you to work on developing short original scenes and plays using the idea of family as a central focus, a springboard, an inspiration, a point of departure, an invitation to your imagination. That said, you can use each of these segments as a kind of a standalone one off, exploring a particular aspect of the dramatic art. Why family drama? Well, partly because we're imagining that I'm speaking, sharing with families that are self quarantining, self isolating during this health crisis. But again, that said, I hope that teachers looking for online content for their students will find this useful, and high school students as well who are looking for stuff to do online for themselves or via FaceTime with friends will find this material useful and creative and enlightening. Also, we're calling this family drama because, well, families have been central to drama ever since drama was invented. Think of all those famous Greek plays, the Oresteia or Oedipus Rex. And think of Shakespeare, like Hamlet, or Romeo and Juliet, right? The Montagues and the Capulets, or more recently, the Wingfields in Glass Menagerie by Tennessee Williams, or the Youngers in Raisin in the Sun by Lorraine Hansberry. And more recently still, Manhattan Theater Club itself has produced an abundance of family comedies and dramas, including David Auburn's Proof and David Lindsay Abair's Rabbit Hole, both of which were prize-winning dramas that went on to become motion pictures. So, this modular sequence of activities will invite, encourage, help you, whoever you are, wherever you are, families, teachers, students, to create short family scenes and plays on your own, and we hope will help you get your imaginations and creative juices flowing. A couple of thoughts before we conclude this introduction. One is this series is for older students, high school age, 12 to 13 anyway and up. If you're working with younger students, you'll need to use your judgment about modifying and adapting. And also, having said this is about learning to write a play. This is not a cookbook. It's not a recipe. Again, as I've been saying, it's kind of an invitation to your imagination. So, for our next segment, I will be offering on our next segment some startup activities that will get your creative juices flowing. So, I look forward to seeing you next time. And thanks.